Hi everyone, I'm excited to share with you this new button maker that I purchased, and I purchased it through buttonboyinc.com. I'll put their link and information down below, and this kit that I purchased. So I purchased the 1 1/4 inch size button maker, and it's really heavy, well made in the US, and it's all metal and it's amazing. I love this button maker. So let me show you a couple of flat backs that I made. So you can make all kinds of different types of buttons. So these are the Flair buttons. You can see it has a flat back on the back of it. So you just have to add maybe a foam dot or double-sided tape. And then this one is an actual button, has a pin back. So there's different kinds. You can make keychains, you can make ponytail holders, magnets, you can make zipper pulls, you can put them on your shoes, you can even, if you get the zipper pull, or not the zipper pull, but the ponytail holder, you can put it on your shoe, you can make an actual button out of it, you could put it on your planner, run it through the elastic. So lots of different ways. They even have paper clips that you can put on your planner. You just attach the button to the paper clip. So lots of different backs. So let me show you how to create a button. So the kit that I bought came with the machine. It came with the punch, and the punch is by Little B, so we're all familiar with Little B. And you'll notice that it's 1.629, so it has to be a little bit more than 1 1/4, because again the paper has to wrap around the button, so that's why it's a little bit larger. It also came with, I selected the 500 flat backs, so it came with 500 of those, which it came with 500 shells. It came with 500 of these flat backs, and then 500 of the Mylar. And then it came with additional back pins and shells in Mylar too. And then I bought an additional pack of 100 back pins or pin backs. So again, you could buy different backings. They sell in a pack of 100, 250, 500, 1,000, I believe 5,000. So you can get a bunch for such a good price. And it was super fast shipping. It was priority, and I got it in a minute, in days. So that was excellent. So great customer service. So let me show you. Let's make a button. So I'm using this paper collection from Hobby Lobby, and all you're going to do is just take your punch, and let's do her. She's cute. Little bun. So you're just going to center the image within the punch. Okay. And then you're going to see that it swings back and forth. Okay. So the side that is more raised up, you'll notice there's the right side that's a little bit more deep. This side is where you put the shell. So you want it, I've seen a lot of videos where they placed it this way, some did it this way. So I just do it this way, and when you're doing it this way, you want to make sure after you place the shell that the image is right side up. Okay, that has, you can tell when it's lined up. So just make it right side up. Then you're going to place your Mylar, and then you're going to turn it and then press. Now the button is in this disc right here, or inside this die right here. Now you're going to place your flat back, and you want to place it cup side up. You can see where the little, not sharp edge, but the edge is on the top. You're going to place it in there, and then you're going to turn it and then press, and there you go. You got a flat back backing, and it makes a cute Flair button. Is that really cute? I love it. Okay, so now let's make one with a pin back. Okay, so you're going to take, again, let's just do another girl. And I'll do her. So again, you want to center it within the punch. And then place it, place your shell first. And then place your image. And then you're going to take your Mylar. And sometimes these tend to stick together, so just make sure there's only one. And I just, do this to make sure there's just one in there. And then turn, and then press. And this is so user-friendly. I love it, because I have a bad back, and this is just easier for me to use. I don't have to put so much pressure. And then this time we're going to make it into a shaker. Now I got this idea from Palooza, and I'll put her video link down below. She made a shaker into a Flair, when she made the Flair button. So what she did was she took the flat back, she placed it in, and then she took some of these really tiny seed beads, and you can get these at any of your local craft store. You place it in the center, and the reason why she places it in the center, because when the button gets created, you don't want the paper, it to get jammed into the paper. So that's why she places it in the center. You only need a few, you don't really need a lot. So just place it in the center like so. And then you're going to turn, just turn it slowly so it doesn't move away from the center. And then you're going to press. And now you got a shaker Flair. Isn't it so cute? I love this idea. Such a great idea she came up with. Okay, so now you got that one. Now let's make the one with the pin. So now I'm going to turn it back. And then let's punch our image. Let's do her with the flower. Just again, make sure she's in the center. Well, actually, let's do her with the glasses. She's cute. Okay, so you're going to place your shell, and then you're going to place the image right side up. You're going to take your Mylar, you're going to turn, and you're going to press. Okay, to get it lined up, the trick is, you see this zigzag line, make sure it's facing upward. And then I also remember that the part where it's the pin part, it's going to be on the right side. So you basically just want to make sure it's these two circles are straight. Okay, so you're going to place it like that. Just make sure it's all nice and straight. And then you're going to place it, turn it. And there you go. Got a perfect pin. So again, this is the Tecre 1 1/4 button maker. And again, I'll put all the information and the link down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.